Athens, Ohio, a town of 25,000 people and home to Ohio University, founded in 1804. Every 17 years, Athens experiences a massive plague. Billions of cicadas crawl out of the ground where they will breed and then die. Hanging around underground for 17 years can be boring for the cicada nymphs, but it's all worth it if they can make it up a tree and transform themselves into very loud five-eyed adults. Cicadas utilize a technique called predator satiation. So many of them emerge all at once that all the animals that eat them, dogs, cats, raccoons, turtles, birds, snakes, and even humans, become full. Virtually unchanged since dinosaurs roamed the earth 100 million years ago, the cicada's struggle for survival is a gruesome reminder of the brutality of nature.